Hello everybody and welcome for a new video. In this video today I want to give you a quick review about a new software, a new tool that will be launched tomorrow on 30th of May, and this tool will be available for purchase in 11 o'clock in 11 a.m. of Eastern Standard Time. This is the New York time, and this software called Viper. So Viper it's a new tool, and this is an robot. It's an automated tool for TikTok. So TikTok is one of the hottest social network right now. A lot of people are moving to TikTok, and a lot of people are already on TikTok. And with TikTok you can get a massive boost of traffic to your business, to your affiliate business, to your online business. And with Viper you can start driving traffic. It's a robot. You having an automation tool here, you having a video editor here. So what you can get in Viper, like I said, you get a TikTok traffic robot, you get an one-click TikTok video maker, you have an audience growth tools for TikTok. You can also find directly from the app the hottest offers from Clickbank, from Warrior Plus, from JVZoo. And this is the first tool that doing automation for TikTok. And this is Viper. And let's see how this tool works. Let's see inside the software. So right now I'm in the home page of Viper. So this is the home page. This is how it's look like if you will buy this tool. This is what you get. This is the members area. So in the members area you can click in here on the training. So it will take you to some case study of people that making money with Viper, and also a lot of tutorial on how to use this how to use Viper. And let's go back to the dashboard. So here this is the main page of the dashboard. So from here you can find deals from Warrior Plus and Clickbank. You can scroll between the pages, and if you want to see how, let's say, this offer Lazy Profit Builder, you want to see how the sales page look like, so you can click in here on the sales page and it will open you the sales page of Lazy Profit Builder. You can also click in here on grab deals, and from there you can provide your request to getting a link, and you can start promoting this specific offer. And you can also do it for all the deals and offer from Clickbank. So you can scroll in here and you can pick offer from Clickbank. This is a really good tool, so you don't need to go to Clickbank or to Warrior Plus and find offers. In this app you can get an access for all the hottest offer from Warrior Plus and Clickbank. So the next thing that you can do here, is click on the TikTok video maker. So here you can find the trending TikToks, and if you click on one of them you can start edit this TikTok and upload to your TikTok account. You can click in here on search. You have the popular, the latest, celebs, hashtags and music. So let's say you want to promote an offer from Clickbank, and this is in the health niche, in the health category. You can click in here, enter your keyword, you can type in here health, and you will see a lot of TikTok about health. So I can click in here on this one. I want to work with this video, and now it will open the TikTok video editor, and this is Viper TikTok editor. So this is about something in the hearing, health hearing. So I can take this, and I can start adding some elements to this specific TikTok. So let's go over here and start it again. So I'm clicking here on edit. I can click in here and it will start a video. I can click on pause, and then I can start adding some designs. I can add an image. So let's say image about health. So I can take this image and it will be adding to here. I can add also some text. I can add an elements, so you're having a lot of elements that you can choose from. You have icons, doodles, illustration, characters, bubbles, overlays, stickers, social, promotion, badges, celebration, logo, CTA, call to action, and emojis. So you're having a lot of elements that you can upload to your TikTok. And after you finish edit this TikTok, you can click on save. Then you can download this TikTok and upload it to your TikTok accounts. So you can make a really good TikToks on from this TikTok video editor. So this is the first thing that you can do with Viper. It's really easy, and it's drag and drop, and you can make a really good TikToks. And with that you can start promoting a product about health. If you are in the money making online, so you can type in here money, and it will find you TikToks about money, and you can choose one of these TikToks and start editing and upload it to your account. So here you have all the TikToks that you are uploaded in the video downloads. Then you have the trending hashtags. So in trending hashtags, what you can do is you can let's say type search. I can search for money, typing on search, and it will find me the hottest hashtags, trending hashtags that I can upload to my video. So in this case it's saying me money making online. If I can type health, so it will find me health and health with fitness. And I can also choose the date in the last 30 days. I can type here music, and it will find me all the trending hashtags about my keyword. So this is another thing that you can do. And after you find some of your keywords, you can download it. So I can clicking here on analysis, get your hashtags. I can type in here money and click in on analysis, analyze. So then, like you see, it's find me a lot of hashtags, auto suggestion hashtags, and then I can download all these hashtags and upload it to my TikTok video. So this is the trending hashtags. The next thing is the TikTok automation. So in the TikTok automation, you can start creating an automation campaigns. So I can click in here on create template. I can choose campaign name. So let's say test. I can add in here a message, robotic TikTok software, and I can click in here on create campaign, and it will create me campaigns. So this is the campaign that I just created, and I can also adding a lot of messages to this automation template. Then I click in here on create campaigns. I typing in my campaign name. my username on TikTok, and then I choose the auto comments that I just created. I can just type my targeted keywords. So let's say money, work from home, and affiliate marketing. Then I type in the auto like and activity. I can choosing the end dates. So let's say more than a week, and daily max activity I can type in here 10. So now it will find TikToks, and it will auto comment the comment that you just created, and it will do it 10 times a day by the targeted keyword that I typing in here. So it's really automation. You don't need to do anything, just create a comment, just type the keyword that you want, and it will start commenting on all of the TikTok. So this is the TikTok automation tool. The next thing is the social blast. So from here you can blast all you can blast your TikTok to more than 100 sources. So you just typing in your TikTok URL, and you need to pick the social network. You type in here, and then you can post your TikTok link to all of these social networks, so you can get a free traffic to your TikTok account. So this is the social blast. Here you can generate backlinks to your TikTok account. You can click in here on use scan, type your domain name, and it will create you a lot of backlinks to your domain name. This is another thing that you can do. This is the generate backlinks, and here you can do some automation to Facebook, do some Facebook posting. You have a Facebook automation, so you can do auto commenting, auto replay, just like the TikTok. You can do it also for Facebook and Instagram. You have an Instagram automation and Facebook automation that you can also get with this tool. And this is the link cloaking, so you can cloak a link. You can have a bit.ly URL shortener and rebrandly. This is the link cloaking, and here you have the website compression. So you can type your website, you type competitor website, and you can type on search, and it will be a comparison between these two websites. So this is it. And here, if you are buying one of the upsell, you can get access for all the automation tool and the Viper Unlimited. So you can see it after you buy Viper. You have a chance to buy some of these upsells. So this is how Viper looks like. This is the members area. This is all the things that you can do with Viper. So like I said, it's a TikTok automation tool. It's a really good tool to start getting a massive of free traffic from TikTok. So if you want to buy this tool, all you need to do is to click on the link on the description down below this video. It will take you to this page. This is my bonus page, and the price of Viper, it will be $70, and this is the front end. And when you buy it, you can get access to all the things that I show you on Viper. It's all the traffic robot, and you can also get an access to all my bonuses that I'm going to show you right now. So after you buy Viper, you can buy some of these upsells. So upsell number one is Viper Unlimited. So you have a multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It's also come with additional tutorials. So this is upsell number one. You have more upsells here. So the Viper done for you for $197. This upsells the team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales. You have the Viper Automation Edition, so you will be able to activate all the automation tools with Viper. You have the upsell number 4 is Viper done for you templates club. You can get more than 200 customizable video templates for $39. And upsell number 5 is Viper You can get here more 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. So this is all the price and upsells to Viper, and let's see what is the bonuses that you can get if you will buy Viper with my link. So the bonus number 1 is how to make $200 in 20 minutes with Facebook. So in Viper you can get a Facebook automation tool, so you can use this tool and this training and you can make a lot of money with Facebook. In this training you will see exactly how we make more than $2,000 in 20 minutes from Facebook. So this is bonus number 1. The bonus number 2 is free traffic method to make $100 per day. So this is another training. This is about free traffic from YouTube, and it will show you step by step how you can start making money from YouTube and how you can make $100 per day. This is another really good training that from what I know and from some of my students, this is really work and people make with it a lot of money. So this is bonus number 2. The next bonus is my ultimate list of recurring commissions affiliate offers. So you can get an access to some of the documents that I created with all of really good affiliate offers that having you recurring commissions. So let's say someone buy it, he will start paying for it every month, so you'll make recurring commissions. So this is something that's really good. You are making money every single month with this affiliate offers. This really good offers that convert really well. So this is bonus number 3. The next bonus is super fast list building strategy to maximize your profit. So a lot of people say that the money is on the list, and they are right. If you're having a good email list, you can make a lot of money, and in this bonus you will see exactly how you can start making a really fast list building that can maximize and boost your profit to the next level. So this is bonus number 4. The next bonus is copywriting mastery and secrets. So if you are an affiliate marketer, if you are a digital marketer, or if you are an online marketing, the must skills that you need to have is a copywriting. So copywriting is all the things that you are write on your ads, on your sales page, on your landing page. So in this bonus you will see some of the secrets to having a good copywriting skills. So this is bonus number 5, and the last bonus is an access to all of the vendor bonuses. So you can get an access to 12 more bonuses by the vendor. This is products about getting traffic and making money from home. So you can get all these bonuses and also all my bonuses, and to boost and maximize your profit with Viper and from affiliate marketing and else. So this is all the bonuses that you can get. You can get the vendor bonuses, the copywriting mastering secrets, the super list building strategy to maximize your profit, the ultimate list of recurring commission affiliate offers, the free traffic method to make $100 per day, and how we make $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook. So if you want to get all these bonuses and also get the robotic Viper free traffic secrets, the Viper software, all you need to do is to click on the link on the description down below this video. It will take you to this page, and just you need to click on one of this yellow button and it will take you to Viper sales page, and you can buy Viper for $70. So this is it for this video. If you have any question, you can type on the link, you can type on the comments on the comments down below this video. If you like this video, type on the like button, and if you want to see my future reviews, type on the subscribe button just down below. And this is it for this video. I will see you guys on the next review and the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.